Hi everyone. Now in this video I will quickly take you through with some of the practice worksheet with which you will able to understand what are the features available in this FastXL tab. So here you can see my screen and some of the data are available here. So we will do some practice with these worksheets here. So let's start doing it one by one. First, this create, you see what it will do. It will create the table of contents for whatever the number of worksheets available here. So when I will click here, it will create the number of worksheets. It will create a table of contents as per the number of worksheets available in your Excel file. So here 3 worksheets are available here: PTS formula, importance of table, and IDBB. So it will automatically take the name of your respective worksheet, and when you will click on any of the worksheet, it will directly jump on the respective worksheet. And in every worksheet, this TOC button will also get developed. So when you will click on it, it will jump back directly to your table of content worksheet file. Then the second one, create index. It will create the what it will do. It will create the index in the row form for all the worksheets which are available here in your Excel file. So when I will click here, you can see it has created the table of content in the form of row, in the form of table. Here it has converted in the form of box, and in the index it has converted in the form of table. So you can use any of the ribbon as per your requirement. Then paste visible. Paste visible, what it will do, suppose if I use this one data, suppose ये example कुछ data है, if I want जो crime है उसमें यहाँ पर मैं ABC एग्जाम्पल, और यहाँ पर मेरे को चाहिए एग्जाम्पल. तो if I have to copy all this, it will take lot of time. So what I can do, just hide this one, and then paste visible cell, click on it. It will ask the thing, select the row cells whose visible cells should be used. तो मेरे को ये 2 सेल यूज़ करना है, and select the range of the rows where these values should be pasted. So I have selected this range where I want these values to be pasted, and then press OK. So with this you can see it has pasted it directly. Otherwise what I have to do, I have to do it one by one manually. So what it will do, it will paste your values in the visible cells only without disturbing the hidden cells. Then swap values. Swap values, what it will do, suppose if I want to shift this column to this side, so let's see. So manually what you have to do, you have to just select it, cut, and then paste it, and then this one to this side. But after this installation of FastXL tab, it will do just with click of a button, it will swap the row. You can see the row has got swapped. Similarly, if I have to flip the range means whatever in this it is available. If I want this value to shift to the bottom, and the bottom one to the top, and the second one top second to the second last, and the second last to the top second. So with this you can use it here, flip range. So it will do like this, values flipped successfully in the selected range. So your all values has got flipped. And divide by numbers. To divide by number, what it will do, if you want to divide, sometimes मेरे को ये कॉलम में सभी वैल्यूज़ डिवाइड करनी है 2 से, तो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, मैनुअली करना पड़ेगा. but now you can do it by just click of the button. एग्जाम्पल ये कॉलम को मेरे को जो है सभी वैल्यूज 5 से डिवाइड करना है. जस्ट do it and it will divide all your values in this column by 5. Then similarly format rows, revert original. इसमें what it will do, so example मेरे पास कुछ डाटा है यहाँ पर, डाटा क्रिएट करते हैं. एग्जांपल मैं यहाँ से लेके इसको इतना वैल्यू तक कुछ डाटा ले लेता हूँ रैंडमली और इसको मैं यहाँ पे डाल देता हूँ. दिस इज माई डाटा हियर. ये वैल्यू चेंज ना हो उसको मैं फिक्स कर लेता हूँ लाइक दिस वन. अब नाउ आई वांट 1000 के फॉर्म में हूँ, in the form of 1000. Just click it, it will come in the form of 1000. If I want in the form of lakh, just click it, it will come in the form of lakh. तो lakh के लिए क्या है, वैल्यू थोड़ा सा रेंज बड़ा होना पड़ेगा. अगर मैं इसमें रैंडमली ये लाख में हो गया आपको, तो ये लाख में कन्वर्ट हो गया. लाख में कन्वर्ट होने के लिए वैल्यू क्या है, थोड़ा सा उस रेंज में होना चाहिए. इसका मैं अगर करोड़ में डेवलप करना है करोड़, एंड इफ आई वांट टू कन्वर्ट इट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मिलियन, ये मिलियन में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. एंड इफ आई वांट टू ब्रिंग इट टू द ओरिजिनल नंबर, जस्ट क्लिक हियर, इट विल ब्रिंग द ओरिजिनल नंबर हियर. इसके बाद in this if you will see divide by number, multiply by number, all these options are available here, which you can also use from this drop down. And apart from this, some user defined formulas are also available in this. This reverse range, total even, total odd. I will provide all this in the form of PDF file in which you can go through it, so that it will be easier for you to understand what are all the features available in this ribbon. So thank you very much.